Hello, what is your name?
I'm Diana Rose Emilio,
How old are you?
27 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, single mother.
Okay, so how many kids do you have?
Two kids,
Okay, how old are they?
4 years old and 3 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
9 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, in the Philippines.
How many
2
years? Okay, so how long have you been working with your previous employer?
9 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Discovery Bay,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,500 square.
How many family members there?
3 family members.
Okay, so how many children?
2,
Okay, how old are they?
17 years old and 13 years old.
Okay, so how long, okay, sorry. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I woke up in the morning 6 o'clock a.m. weekdays and 7 o'clock to 7:30 on weekends.
Okay, so what do you do in the morning?
Cooking breakfast
And then?
and then cleaning the house, housekeeping.
Okay, and then?
Walking the dog
Mhm.
after I cook breakfast.
Okay, so do you go market?
Yes.
Okay, so how about dinner? What time you cook?
4 o'clock to 5.
You cook dinner.
Yes.
Okay, so what time they eat?
6 to
o'clock.
6:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
About 7 or 7 to 9, like that.
Okay, thank you so much.